Ever wondered why you pick one product over another? Well, that's where the subconscious influence of packaging comes in. The packaging industry is worth more than $1 trillion, and it's about to be disrupted entirely by AI. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some of the tools which are changing the way that we create packaging. Introducing Packdora. It's a 3D packaging creator and an all-in-one online tool that's changing the way that we create our packaging. It's doing this by putting the entire process from designing to mocking up to manufacturing our products into one AI tool. It has more than 2,000 templates, 12,000 mockups, and a whole host of inspirations that enable designers to quickly create professional packaging in seconds. You're able to mock up your designs and preview them in 3D, as well as export print-ready die lines. The advantage of Packdora is it removes the need to go back and forth between a number of different design tools, so you can do it all in one browser tool. Packdora has more than 1.5 million users and is really changing the industry. Let's take a look at what's possible. So once you come into Packdora, you have the option to create your own mockup. That's the first option here. Once you're here, you can go through the more than 2,500 mockups and select what sort of mockup you'd like to create. I will go with a bottle, a nice little botella, and botella de agua, nothing like a fine bottle. I'll go a nice champagne bottle, nothing like a little bit of champagne in the morning to get things going. And once you're into the preview, you can upload a background image and you can go into the materials and switch them from a shiny glass to a glass matte and adjust the size by going to more sizes. Now to upload your label, you can go to the upload button, and from here you have the option to either use an inspiration that exists from the Packdora library. So they have a number of options here. And once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and press save. And you will see that there we get a preview of the label. But you might want to actually add one of your own images. So I'm going to be using a piece of work that I had created myself a long time ago. I used to be a designer, and these were some patterns that I used to create. And you can upload your image. Make sure it goes all the way across the bleed, very important. And finally, you're able to also add your own elements. So you can add text directly into here. So I'm going to call this Champagne. Ooh, revolutionary. And you can change the font size. I'm going to increase this a little bit. And also the font. I'll pick something a little bit elegant, a little bit, a little bit, je ne sais quoi. Yes, and you can change the color of that as you wish. I think I might struggle with the color though here. So I'm going to leave that with black, but position it somewhere a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. Let's see where we end up. Maybe down here? Maybe we'll even row. Yes, we'll just squeeze him in like this, like so. Then you can go to save, and this will take you back into your preview. And you can see immediately your champagne bottle mocked up. But, however, I made a little bit of an error here. It's not correctly inside of the bleed. So you can come back and adjust the image. You can see that I had this right at the top of the bleed. So if I want it to be visible, it needs to come inside the bleed, which are the faint grey lines around the outside. And there we are, that's much better. Now, you have the opportunity to enter the scene generator, which will allow you to mock up multiple products on the same image. But you can also download it. And you can download the mockup as so, or you can download the die line, which is the actual print-ready file that you can use for your manufacturing process. There's also the option to create a video, and this is what I love particularly about Packdora, is the ability to export these pretty awesome 3D animated mockups. You get the option to choose what sort of rotation you like. And these are great for sharing across social media or on any other platform. There's also the option to embed a 3D rotating code snippet, which allows people on your Shopify site to rotate and explore the product themselves. And you could also share this. Share it with the world. Share your packaging to all those who want packaging. Now, in the scene generator, you can simply switch between a whole host of different scenes. And it's already mocked up a lot of different situations. So
So you have a real range of opportunity to create your own examples. And once you mock up a standard scene, you can actually change the angle. You can move things around a little bit too. Whoa! And it gives you a lot of creative potential. If at any time you want to reach out to the Pachdora team, you can simply click on the little box in the bottom right-hand corner and say, hello, Megan. Hi, how may I help you? It is a very usable and simple process that allows you to simply select the product type, design online, and bring it to life in 3D. You of course have the option to create the scenes around your product, and some of the designs that you can create on here are fabulous. I particularly like the option that you get to use templates, and of course you can bring your own designs inside too. So if you're someone like me who has been spending hundreds of dollars on various different mockups, this tool actually gives you the power to create unlimited, infinite mockups, all for the price of essentially one mockup. It's super easy to use, and it certainly speeds up the packaging design process. I highly recommend checking out this tool, and there is a discount code of 20% available in the description below. Let me know what you think about Pachdora and the future of packaging design. I'm Samson Voles. This is Delightful Design, and I hope you have a delightful day.